Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life, yeah. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Eayon Hair. Shout out to you, Eayon, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. The wig that I am wearing is their Undetectable Clear Lace Melt Skin Body Wave 13x6 lace front wig, HDBW136. Now, this unit does come in two different densities, so you can get it in 150% density, or you can get it in 180% density, just depending on what you choose. And the lengths go all the way from 14 inches to 26 inches. And they do have this unit available in both a medium and a small cap, but we'll get more into that in a little bit. Okay, so it says hair texture, body wave, hair color, natural color, straps, adjustable lace, undetectable clear lace, baby hair all around, hairline pre-plucked, closure base free part, lasts for 1 more year. And I'm guessing that means it can last for more than a year. And as far as what length I have, I did choose to get this unit in 18 inches. I think I was wanting maybe 14 inches, and they was like, we'll send you 18. I can't remember, but I think that was the case because I do tend to ask with body waves. Like I have so many body wave wigs that are long and not as many that are more, you know, like everyday friendly. And I know everyday units are more popular on my channel, so I do tend to try to ask for units that are like 14, 16, and 18 is pushing it, but I'll do 18 here and there too because it can also be considered an everyday unit. But 16 and 14 is usually what I try to ask for, but child, whatever. But with this wig, it says you can get it in a small and medium cap size. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about whether or not I feel like this unit is big head friendly. In my opinion, their medium is definitely big head friendly. I feel like you can wear it if you're an average cap size like me, or if you have a bigger, if you wear a bigger cap size. Now, personally, I am an average cap size, so I can only speculate that it's big head friendly, but in my opinion, it is if I have to adjust the straps, and I did. So I consider this unit to be big head friendly. Now, I feel like if you have a smaller head, then definitely get the small cap size. Like, honey, know your head, girl, okay? Know your head. So that's that on that. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, this unit did not tangle whatsoever, and it is incredibly soft. Like, it is super, super, super soft. So shout out to you, Eayon, for that. Now, with it shedding, I'm not 100% sure because I did have to cut hair, you guys. I always talk about how big my ears are, and as you guys can see, they're pretty big, girl. Okay, they Beyonce big. Okay, I have rather large ears, so I have to always cut all the way up there. So of course, I am cutting the hair. Now, I didn't notice the shedding prior to me cutting around my ear, so I don't want to say that the unit's shedding, but I don't want to say it's not in case it is. It did shed after I had cut around here, so I want to throw that out there so you can't later say,
oh, you didn't tell us it was shedding.
honey, I told you, girl. I told you, okay? So yeah, that's that. As far as the hairline, I feel like the hairline looks really good. It did come pre-tweezed, and I did not tweeze it anymore. I had just watched another YouTuber's video, and I was kind of hype about tweezing, and then when I took it out, I was like, oh yeah, girl, don't touch that one because you will mess it up, okay? Because I tend to over-tweeze when I do tweeze. So I didn't want to touch it because I feel like it looks really nice as is, like, and the lace, as you guys can see, is undetectable. And let me tell you what I did. I ended up picking up the wrong spray. I was like, I was gonna bleach the knots, and then I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. So I ended up picking up the wrong spray. I used to use the Sally Hansen airbrush leg spray, and I haven't used that in a while, and the one that I ended up picking up was the wrong color. It was like super light, girl. It was, I had the unit just looking just ashy, but thank God it still ended up blending pretty good in my opinion. But if something looks a little off, it's probably that, girl. Okay, it's probably that. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about this unit, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue. Okay, y'all. So honestly, I am really, really feeling this wig. I think it is a really, really nice wig. I will be wearing this wig all weekend and probably for the next week or so because I am having surgery. So I will be wearing this for a while because I'm gonna be out of commission. And I think it's the perfect unit to wear during that time. Like, I think it's really nice. I think it is just a gorgeous unit. And it's just an effortless, everyday sort of slay, honey, okay? Because if they thought I wasn't gonna be wearing a wig and surgery, honey, they got the wrong chick, okay? So by the time you guys are seeing this video, I will already have had my surgery and all of that. And I'll be somewhere relaxing, replying to y'all in my bed, girl, okay? If you're interested, by the way, shameless plug, if you are interested in what surgery I am having, check out our vlog channel. and it'll be down below in the description box, and you can get all that information there. But yeah, I think this unit is just gorgeous. I think it is an absolutely gorgeous wig. It's just such a crispy sort of wig. It's not too long, it's not too thick. I do believe they sent me 150% density. They didn't tell me, but I do believe it's 150% density. I love everything about this unit. I think it's just absolute perfection. So shout out to you, Eayon, okay? Because I am really, really definitely loving everything about this wig. The hairline, the length, the density. I love everything about it. I just think it is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous unit. So shout out to you, boo. And yeah, that is pretty much it. As far as products that I use, the only thing that I used on the hair itself is my R Plus Co Balloon Dry Volume Spray. This is the only thing that I used on this unit, and then I curled it with my curling iron, and honey, that was that. That is all, okay, on the hair itself. So yeah, I am definitely feeling it, and y'all, the hair is so soft. It's raining today. I'm so mad because I'm like, I've been wearing curly hair all week, and you want to rain when I wear my body wave. Like, don't do me. Okay, Mother Nature girl, don't do me. But yeah, I'm feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think about it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, y'all, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. Like, I didn't give you guys a lint check, child. And I want you guys to keep in mind that I am 5'4", so I'm not the tallest person in the world. So just keep that in mind. Depending on your own height, it will depend on where this unit will hit you. So be mindful of that. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. Once again, shout out to you, Eayon, for sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Taking just